Hi, my name is Ruby. I am 20 years old and a university student. Today, I want to share with you a story that has been on my mind for the past week. It's about a problem I faced and how I solved it. It all started when I received an invitation to my best friend's wedding. Her name is Emily, and we have been friends since we were 7 years old. When I opened the envelope, I saw the beautiful handwritten invitation, and I felt so happy for her. She is getting married this Saturday, and I really want to look perfect on her special day. But as soon as I checked my wardrobe, a wave of worry came over me. I didn't have a single dress that seemed suitable for a wedding. I have some casual dresses for school and a couple of old party dresses, but none of them were glamorous enough. I even tried to imagine myself in one of those old dresses, and it looked completely wrong. The colors were dull, and the fabric seemed outdated. I sighed and sat on my bed, thinking about my options. Ruby, I said to myself, you need to get a new dress. Something elegant, something special, something that makes you feel confident. So I made a plan. I decided that today, after my classes, I would go to the mall and look for the perfect dress. I wanted to have time to try on many options and choose the best one. I grabbed my phone and called my mom. "Mom, I need your advice," I said. "I have to find a dress for Emily's wedding. Can you come with me?" "Of course, Ruby," she replied cheerfully. "I love shopping with you. Let's go after your classes." The rest of the day passed slowly because I couldn't stop thinking about the dress. During my lectures, I found myself doodling dresses in my notebook instead of focusing on my notes. I imagined different colors: soft pink, navy blue, emerald green, and even gold. Each one seemed beautiful in my mind, but I didn't know which would look best on me. Finally, I rushed to meet my mom at the mall. The moment we entered the shopping center, I felt a mixture of excitement and nervousness. The bright lights, the colorful displays, and the mannequins dressed in elegant gowns made my heart beat faster. Our first stop was a high-end boutique that my friend Emily had recommended. I walked in and was immediately surrounded by racks of dresses in every shape, size, and color imaginable. My eyes widened in amazement. There were long, flowing gowns, short cocktail dresses, dresses with sparkling sequins, and others with delicate lace. I started browsing, picking up a few dresses and feeling the fabric. "Mom, look at this one," I said, holding up a deep blue gown. "It feels so soft." "It's lovely, Ruby," my mom replied. "Try it on and see how it looks on you." I went into the fitting room, hung the dress on the hook, and changed. When I looked in the mirror, I almost gasped. The dress was elegant, but it didn't feel like me. It was a little too formal, and the color, although beautiful, seemed too dark for a joyful wedding. Next, I tried a soft pink dress with a flowing skirt and delicate embroidery. I twirled in front of the mirror and felt a little happier. The color was light and cheerful, perfect for a wedding. But when I looked closer, I realized the dress was too short, and I felt a bit self-conscious. I tried another one, a long lavender gown with sparkly details. This one was beautiful, but it made me feel like I was attending a royal ball, not a wedding. I laughed at myself in the mirror. "Ruby, calm down," I whispered. "You just need the right dress, not a crown." My mom came in and smiled. "You look wonderful in all of these," she said. "But I think we should look for something that makes you feel confident and comfortable at the same time." I nodded and continued trying more dresses. Some were too tight, others too loose. Some had colors that didn't suit my skin tone, and others had patterns that were too bold. I felt a little frustrated. I had imagined this shopping trip to be fun, but now it felt overwhelming. Just as I was about to give up, I spotted a corner of the boutique with a display of pastel-colored dresses. One of them caught my eye immediately. It was a soft mint green dress with a flowing A-line skirt, delicate lace at the top, and thin straps that made it elegant without being too formal. I held my breath and ran my fingers over the fabric. "Mom, can I try this one?" I asked eagerly. "Of course, darling," she replied, smiling. I went into the fitting room, changed, and stepped in front of the mirror. The moment I saw myself, I knew it was the one. The dress fit perfectly, highlighting my figure without being too tight. The color complemented my skin tone, and the lace details added a touch of elegance. I twirled, and the skirt flowed beautifully. I couldn't stop smiling. "Mom, I love it," I said. "This is the dress I want to wear to Emily's wedding." She hugged me. "You look stunning, Ruby. I think Emily will be so happy to see you in this beautiful dress." After purchasing the dress, we walked around the mall a little more, looking for matching accessories. I found a pair of silver earrings and a delicate bracelet that perfectly complemented the dress. We also chose a small clutch bag in a matching mint color. I felt like I had completed my look. On the way home, I thought about the wedding. I imagined Emily walking down the aisle, her smile, and the joy on everyone's faces. I couldn't wait to celebrate with her. And now, with the perfect dress ready, I felt confident and excited. That evening, I hung the dress carefully in my closet and looked at it one last time. "Tomorrow, I'll start preparing everything else," I said to myself. "Shoes, hair, makeup. I want to be perfect for Emily's special day." I realized something important during this shopping trip. Finding the perfect dress isn't just about the fabric or the color. It's about how the dress makes you feel. When I wore the mint green dress, I felt confident, happy, and comfortable. That feeling is what really matters. The next few days were busy. I tried on the dress again, chose my shoes, and planned my hairstyle. I decided to wear my hair in soft waves with a small braid on one side to keep it elegant but not too formal. I also practiced my makeup to make sure it looked natural and matched the dress. Finally, the day of the wedding arrived. I woke up early, feeling excited and a little nervous. I put on my dress, styled my hair, and added my accessories. When I looked in the mirror, I smiled. I felt beautiful, confident, and ready to celebrate my best friend's special day. At the wedding, I saw Emily, glowing in her wedding dress, surrounded by family and friends. I gave her a big hug and complimented her. "You look amazing, Emily. I'm so happy for you," I said. The ceremony was beautiful. The music was enchanting, and the atmosphere was filled with love and joy. I danced, laughed, and enjoyed every moment, feeling proud of my choice of dress. Everyone complimented me on my look, but more importantly, I felt comfortable and confident all day long. By the end of the evening, as we said goodbye to Emily and her new husband, I realized that this experience taught me more than just choosing a dress. It taught me about patience, self-confidence, and the importance of feeling good in your own skin. Shopping for a dress is fun, but finding the one that truly makes you feel yourself is priceless. If you are learning English, here is a simple advice from me. Listen carefully to stories like mine. Pay attention to the words, phrases, and sentence structure. Repeat aloud what you hear. Try to imitate pronunciation and intonation. Practice regularly every day for at least 10–15 minutes. Repetition helps your brain remember new words and phrases. Speak with confidence, even if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Remember, learning English is like preparing for a special event. It takes patience, practice, and confidence. Keep listening, repeating, and speaking, and soon you will notice improvement.